Local news for Tuesday the 31st of October. The rangers at Pukaha Mount Bruce National Wildlife Centre are delighted to have discovered that the resident takahe couple, Natural and Formy, are sitting on an egg. The egg was discovered on Saturday, marks the first time a takahe egg has been laid at the centre for over 20 years. Pukaha Mount Bruce's very first conservation breeding program was with the takahe and dates back to the late 1960s. Police were called to a Bentley Street address on Saturday night after a man was hit in the head with an axe. The victim was treated and is okay, and a man has been arrested. Masterton's 10 o'clock cookie, bakery and cafe is leading the People's Choice competition so far in the New Zealand Cafe of the Year competition for the Lower North Island. Voting closed on the 27th of October and 10cc were leading in the Lower North Island category, with judges' visits happening next month, with the regional winners and People's Choice announced in December. And in sport, for the first time in history in the Hurricanes Schools Sevens competition, Manakura College were crowned champions, with Hastings Boy taking out the boys division. Wairarapa College's Janie Gravatt was named in the girls tournament team and Sam Smith in the boys.